How to enable multi-snap on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can enable multi-snap on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to enable multi-snap on Snapchat, update your Snapchat app. Very important. If you have your app store on iPhone or Play Store on Android, go to your respective stores and just update the Snapchat app to the latest version. And once you've updated Snapchat to the latest version, simply open it up. Now, right when you open it up, on the right hand side you can see all these toggles, where if you tap this little plus button here, you'll find a list of functions that are available for you to choose. Now unfortunately, in my case, you can see there is no multi-snap button even if I've updated it to the latest version. If you found such kind of option, you'll find this kind of option that says multi-snap. So for some devices it is showing, for some devices it is not showing. So you might actually just want to wait until Snapchat rolls this out properly across every group, because this is a relatively new feature, might be available for beta testers and iPhone users early on, but for Android users we might have to wait some time. So hope this video helps you get the answer. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.